50 years ago, a small Irish dairy on the southwestern side of the island began operations. Today, Kerry Foods is a global powerhouse in the food industry.
Success always takes a team, and the team of people that have helped Kerry be successful in their energy efficiency. We've had a chance to get to know some of the Kerry staff here in the room this morning, and I'm really glad that so many of you could be here this morning to join us and celebrate your achievements.
Its Jackson, Wisconsin facility is a prime example of a company evolving, blending cutting-edge technology with sustainable practices.
So we have two spray dryers. This is spray dryer 1, it's the larger of the two. The spray dryer is actually like 5 big stories tall.
I also want to recognize our green team. We have a green team that focuses on conservation initiatives, whether it's waste reduction or energy reduction. As we continue to move forward, they're going to be the conduit for bringing forward a lot more opportunities.
Kerry's green team, partnering with Focus on Energy and its utility We Energies, completed 9 major projects in 2023 that started in 2019. Those projects saved more than 400,000 kilowatt hours and more than 160,000 therms annually. That's enough energy to power 4,184 homes.
Most of these projects we couldn't get through without Focus and We Energies helping in the background.
It does help from a financial standpoint, from a justification standpoint. It helps us get projects done, helps us get energy savings again, and it's a path forward because Focus and We Energies is always asking, what's the next project here?
One standout project involved a significant boiler upgrade, installing a condensed stack economizer. Greatly improved energy efficiency by addressing the high volume of boiler makeup water used in that manufacturing process.
It's delicious.
Yeah.
You save $68,000 in energy reduction this year and every year from now on.
That's enough to power 89 homes just from this project, okay? Equivalent to 108 passenger vehicles removed from the road, or the energy saved to drive 1.1 million miles, nearly 46 times around the world.
Kerry invests in technical studies, identifying energy efficiency opportunities and pursuing larger, more complicated ideas.
We really can't come up with the projects just kind of dreaming them up. It really's got to come from you guys, from the plant floor. You know where energy efficiency opportunities are.
Congratulations to Kerry Foods Jackson plant, a 2024 Energy Efficiency Excellence Award recipient.